Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable double click to install on your iPhone for the App Store. So if you go in the App Store and you try to download the app, you might get this prompt to double click to install, and you might not want this. So in order to basically disable this, first thing you're going to exit out of the App Store itself and then make your way over to the Settings app. Now in the Settings app, you're going to look for Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode, and then go ahead and enter your passcode to access the settings. Now after that, you're going to see a setting called iTunes and App Store. We need to turn that toggle off. And now with this turned off, if I go ahead and back to the App Store and I try to download something, I'll no longer get that double click any longer. When I click on install, it'll begin a downloading installing, or it might prompt for your Apple ID password, but you do not know any longer have to double click to install. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.